Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock type and dimensions so parts align, measure the backset and door thickness, then mark the center line on both faces. Use a template or jig to position the 2/1/8 bore and the 1 edge hole, and clamp a scrap block behind the drift to prevent splintering. Once done, drill slowly with a new bit, checking alignment. Make sure the face cut for the latch is square so the strike and latch will meet cleanly. You next set the latch and bolt. Chisel or route the faceplate mortise to full depth so the plate sits flush, then insert the latch and secure it with screws, tight but not overdriven. Align the exterior cylinder and interior spindle so the tailpiece engages squarely, feed cables or linkage where present. Once assembled, operate the knob or key to ensure smooth retraction. If there's resistance, loosen screws, realign the spindle, and retest until the bolt moves freely without binding. You finish by positioning the strike on the jamb using the closed door to mark the center. Chisel or router the mortise so the strike sits flush and the bolt engages fully. Tighten all screws, test the door swing and lock operation multiple times, and make incremental adjustments to the strike plate or latch height to eliminate rubbing. If the bolt binds, loosen screws, slightly file the latch edge, or move the strike a few millimeters. One small tweak usually resolves misalignment quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.